Come test drive the 2014 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tow hitch, traction control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, front and rear floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, MP3 player, power door locks, passenger airbag, child safety locks, electronic stability control, brake assist, auxiliary audio input. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.